very much aware that this was a pivotal point in our whole life, definitely, because the next 10 minutes, half an hour, could either make us very rich or make us back to what we were.
Peter and David had certainly grabbed the dragon's attention with their pitch. Theo Pacitis was shocked by what he'd heard.
Peter, David, try and tell me that 25% of the pie TV uses is still being used when it's off.
On certain set-top boxes, it's 100%.
That is absolutely amazing. I was
People don't realise it's a lot of power.
And can this be copied?
It is patent protected, yes. The patent covers the operation of the unit.
With Theo Pacitis showing interest in the environmental benefits of the product, Richard Farley wanted to explore Peter and David's routes to market.
The TV companies, could they build the device that you've got into their TV?
Another aspect of the technology we've got is it can easily be incorporated into the manufacturing of televisions, computers, videos at the manufacturing stage.
Might be an easier route for you.